Welcome class 10 students. This video is actually to let you know how the ICSE marking pattern comes. Okay, suppose a sum like this has come from an equation chapter. The sum is this where x belongs to I integer. So solve and express it on the number line. Now how you will do? Three parts are there. This is one part, this is one part, this is one part. Take first two part like this and the last two part like this. Then we will proceed to solve it. You can solve it in many ways, bringing plus 3 this side, plus 3 this side, then cancelling this plus 3 like this, or you can solve it by normal way of solving for the x. Okay, now for that put the implies that sign over there and proceed it as it is. Okay, no problem in ICSC. Okay, if you solve in this way you will eligible to get full marks for this. So how you will do? Minus 3 minus 2 less than equals to 8x by 3 minus x. Now keep in your mind that whichever side has the highest value of x, that will remain that side, the other x will come this side, the numbers will go other side. This is the normal way of solving this. Then actually it is easy to solve. After this it will come minus 5, it is 8x minus 3x by 3, it is coming minus 3, if you cross multiply, into 5 by, here it is coming 5x, send this 5 underneath of this. Now one more thing from this inequation chapter, you cannot send any minus cross multiplication over this side. Okay, don't send any minus from here to this side. That means suppose here it is minus 5, this minus 5 will not come over here underneath, only 5 will come, minus x will remain this side. You cannot multiply the negative function here to this side, cross multiplication not possible. Okay, that minus will remain this side. Over here no problem, but if it happens, don't do it. Change the x, this, bring that x this side and change number this side. By that way you can cancel that minus, but don't send any minus cross multiplied this side. Okay, now this 5 and 5 is cancelled. Over here it is minus 3 less than equals to x. This side if you proceed, it will be 8x by 3 minus 2x less than equals to 14 by 3 minus 2. It will come like this, 2x by 3 less than equals to 8 by 3. Then from there 8 by 3, this 3 by 2 will multiply this side, so this 3 and 3 cancel, 2 and 8 can cancel, it will come 4, so x is coming less than 4. Now if you need to write both of them in roster form, you will write x minus 3 less than equals to x less than equals to 4, x belongs to I. You need to write this. For it you have to write either in this form or in the solution set form. Okay, for x belongs to I, either of them are correct, but you need to write this, either this or solution set you need to express. After this a number line. Okay, there is a rule for the number line is also, if it is minus 3 then you have to start from minus 4 this side. It is rule for the ICSE. If it's minus 3 you have to start from the minus 4, so minus 3, then minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 extra for the both side, 4, 4, I have to write 5 this side. Okay, need to give arrow of the either side. Okay, now for it, as it is x belongs to I, okay, you have to take only the whole numbers, don't take the number in between. In between numbers will not come. So this is your range minus 3 to 4, that means from here to here both are included, as the less than equal to signs are there, both are included, so you will put dots over here, all are included in between this range. I have made this dark, so from 4 it is minus 3. Okay, if this carries 4 marks, now see the number division, this carries 4 marks, one for this, one for this, one for this, one for this. You need to know this. 1 for this. If this is correct, 1. If this is correct, 1. This is correct, 1. This is correct, 1. So you need to write this and this. Always carries marks, this too. Okay, do write this. Now if it carries 3 marks, either of them are correct, 1. Okay, 1 here, 1 here. So 1, either of them, 1 here, 1 here. So you can see these are very essential. Have to write this or the solution set. Solution set for these numbers are -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the solution set for this. So x belongs to this, you have to write. Either of them are correct. Okay, and then your number line. You need to give your number line. Okay, this is actual number division for the inequation. Okay.